Esizozibuza kona guys ukuthi kahle kahle wena-ke ungavumela yini ingane yakho ukuthi ishade uyibone kahle ukuthi no, my child is not happy noma ngeke ibe happy lana iyakhona. Umbuzo nje unjalo. Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. Welcome to the Christian News, and niyazi ukuthi utirelo is the topic. Okay, so what's actually happening here ukuthi I think nje sizohlala phansi and really see or decide ukuthi ngabe ngempela yini izinto sesifike lana khona inokwamphela nhliziyo, because what we are seeing here is a woman osefike la uthi hayi yabona manje yazi ngikhathele engazi ukuthi kona hayi sengifike la ukuthi khona hayi I've had enough. Uyasho ukuthi no, engathi uMpumelelo uhambile wayethi ubefuna ukuyokhokha ilobolo kaTirelo, but abakaTirelo azange bamvumele ukuthi akhokhe ilobolo because of maybe they have concerns about their daughter. But-ke uMusa ubona kungcono ukuthi no, athi ngihlale phansi noTirelo and just find things out myself as a father-in-law.
I honestly don't think that uMele is in a position whereby angakwazi ukuthi ang-maintain aphinde a-maintain nosingabakho unezinye izingane. Ngaphezulu kwalokho sekukhona noMahleyi futhi singabakho khona.
Another thing that has been raised kakhulu sibona these allegations ukuthi uMpumelelo banakekela abantwana bakhe or is not taking care of his children. It's just kind of like baffling ukuthi hayibo kanjani, because I mean the Mpumelelo we see how ungahlulwa kanjani ukuthi alokhuze ukuthi anakekele izingane. But then again, here is the thing here that I think uTirelo is failing to see, or is failing ukuthi ayibone ukuthi lalela lana phela ubhuti ushilo ukuthi yena he's not gonna pay 3,000 rand for instance for umntwana ukuthi ayecrash just ukuthi alale avuke, but yet ube nayo imali yokuthi ahambe ayokhokha amalobolo just soon after. So that means it's not about, I think, capabilities in this instant. It's just more about ukuthi prioritize ukuthi imali yakhe iye kuphi. If yena ufuna ukuthi hayi imali yami I think kumele ize kuMahleyi, that's where the money goes. If imali yami I feel like kumele ize kuphi, that's where the money goes. And that's what happens normally when you know more like part of the equation. Bandla shame uvele nje ube yinto nje like nobody, like everything that would bring is just a burden, and that is it. And uTirelo continue to say usingabakho ku-medical aid kama wakhe, and that is also just very humiliating to usingabakho abe medical aid kama kaTirelo instead of Mpumelelo. I mean, what is the medical aid to this, rich family?
Medical aid.
Yo, guys. The fact that umntwana medical aid kama kaTirelo on its own is just nje is so off. Secondly, ukuthi uMaTirelo asendeke i-receipt ukuthi nakho phela sengikhaverile some of the medication, then ubaba womntwana phela also must do something, and apparently why nathi nje nakazingeni shuthi kumele azibonele usisters ukuthi umisa kanjani. That is the thing. That is just so it's now coming to really coming to an end ukuthi ayibo uTirelo is she getting to a stage of saying Yasmin, I have tried it all, maybe on her side, or maybe she hasn't tried it all, or she's feeling ukuthi manje Yasmin senganele izingazuthi manje sengiyahamba, because uthi kakhulu ukhona uMahleyi manje, and lo muntu vele nje uyastruggle. So nje it's like a situation izoba worse. Abanye bayazosho bathi no, uThirelo is just getting exactly into naye applyela because we, as you know, karma. So it's like that. And some people are gonna say, yeah, but after all, she's a human. Naye ain't.
Yasitswana ba re mphemphe wa lapisa motho o kgona ke sa gago. Don't get
Uyabona uma uquote ngisho quote language yakho suke sekunzima guys, hayi kunzima.
me wrong, baba mina ingane yakho ngiyamthanda. Ngobele ngiyamthanda. Like yes, but
And also the level of just being vulnerable kakhulu ukuthi manje lalela awusakhali ngisho kumuntu wakho ne usukhala kuma in-laws wakho. It's just on another level because it just shows ukuthi yazi this is just beyond vulnerability. The level of vulnerability here is on a different level. Ayishemi uthi umntwana abantu despite everything sekwenzeke konke guys, like yeah, the media everywhere siyabona izinto azenzayo, but guess what, still ingane yakho ngiyayithanda and angifuni noqamba noma like, and especially mayikhuluma ngendaba yothando nje ayi uyabreaka nje vele nje breaking the heartbreaking, and it's just sad because almost I don't think this is a type of Isithembu afuna ukuthi asilandele. We're not saying he's doing well with his Isithembu also maintaining, but given that the son is following his footsteps, I don't think this is an example that he wants to set. So it's like, okay, because basically people are going to look at him ukuthi oh shuthi wena umpumelelo akabe nje ayenze njengoba, and but ngiyewasho wathi no angingafeki izono zampumelelo bayithi. He said it wathi no angingafeki izono zampumelelo. Abantu bazibuzile-ke, like there were a lot of comments, people asking themselves ukuthi ayibo umusa why shebe Tirelo ka uyamshibalela wona kwethagalani yabo. Abantu bayazibuza ukuthi ayimbo kwenzakalani kahle kahle, and bayasho ukuthi no, it seems like because uThirelo is just not far off from Musa's types as well, you know. So it's like it's one of those situations where it's la if you break my heart, I'm gonna go date your father. And people are assuming would say, hey, lava botu, ungathi kuzothi okay when you're bed. Ayike sizoza kubaba wakho when you're bed. Anyway, guys, I think it's just gestures, like just, you know, he is trying to hold Isithembu sikaMpumelelo in one piece, basically, because this is one thing he advocates for. He advocates for Isithembu, so he's just trying to hold this in one piece. But yeah, you know, different minds. You also let me know what you think in the comment. And also at the same time, I think Pumelelo must go back to his father, ask properly, and I think Melenji, if you really want to take this journey, kunezinto eziningi kumele uzenze la, because ngazi ukuthi nje abahlali ngisho 10 years or more bayafika nje bayahamba. Vuyokazi is no more in the picture now. Seems like Tirelo is about to take her bags and go back home also. Shusu sad. So what is this Isithembu with just one woman?
God, I've made a decision. Ukuthi sengi right.
Yes, as eseshilo-ke ugel ukuthi yazini at this point though I have made a decision ukuthi right. So does this decision means that it's just literally the end of Tirelo in Pumelelo manje? Or is the decision of saying I'm gonna stay, I'm gonna keep on staying, but no more in the relationship emotionally? Or is the decision of saying I am watching you but I'm definitely coming back for you? So it is all those things. And Tirelo clears the air. She says I wasn't bad Vuyokazi. I wasn't bad, but I guess she was still in love, yabo manjeke. sekungaye-ke. But yeah, she clears the air. She says, no, I wasn't a bad person to realize basically, but I asked questions where necessarily I needed to ask questions. It's not that I was bad, but yeah, who do we blame? Do we blame Pumelelo? Do we blame Tirilo? Do we blame them both? Who do we blame? And also, with Tirilo being in the situation that she's in now, of which she is not visible at all to this guy, she is now a lion. She is being called now ukuthi wena waphapha ibhubesi khuluma kakhulu, you are disrespectful, all of those things. So hey, yeah, things have finally changed, things have finally turned. And again, uyazi ukuthi thina la at Cushing News sidila nazo one by one, singena phakathi in that and discuss these issues that are really, really happening. It's horrible. Guys, let's look after ourselves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comment. See you next time. Bye bye.